Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside multi-purpose tool, the model PMFW 310G4. Highly versatile oscillation technology for sewing, cutting, scraping and sanding. Oscillation angle 3 degrees, motor speed from 15,000 to 21,000 RPM. Accessories included with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a nice and durable case. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. The cable length, it is 4 meters. I like it. With many sanding seat. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. The dust port, dust extractor, the sanding pad for the sanding seat, and total we have 18 for wood and metal. P60, 1, 2, 3, 4, P120, 1, 2, 3, 4, P240, another 4, and for metal P120, 1, 2, 3, and P240, another 3. Nice. You can choose one of these sanding paper, alignment with the holes. It will help for the dust extraction, and that was all, so easy. Remove, install again. Next we have the scraper, the segment saw, the plant saw 32mm, and another plant saw 20mm, 2. And of course the tool with the on-off switch, speed control from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here it is the lever. Release the lever and you can install one of these accessories. Very easy the alignment at this clamping nut. And lock it. Turn on. And release. Unlock and install this one and lock it. Or the sanding pad. Release again. Robust housing, soft grip around. You can use it with one hand. And of course you can install this dust extractor. We have one screw here that goes here at the screw hole, and you need a screwdriver. Then you can connect the adapter for your vacuum cleaner, and you can connect any tool here without having any problem. Very easy to connect. So first I will test the sander. Let's move on, see how it's performing. You can remove end pane from the wood. And then the P120. And then the P240. And the results are amazing. It is so smooth and clean. Nice, I like it. Clean cut. I think it will be wisely connect again the vacuum. Enough with cutting woods. Let's move on for sanding on a metal. Nice sanding!